Hi guys, it's Nicole, and today I'm sharing layout number 12 from my big Easter kit. I still have products left. I'm still working on stuff. I've got this one and one other layout, and then I'll probably take another stab at the supplies and kind of see what I can come up with. Now, this one, I did go ahead and just use these two larger pieces of the cloud pattern and this like tone-on-tone flower pattern, and I did not gut them. One of the other layouts, I did kind of gut them because they were the patterns that I liked a little bit better. At this point, I'm okay covering them up and not really like, gutting the stuff behind it. If you were really trying to kind of eke out every little square inch, definitely you could, gut the stuff that you're going to cover with photos. I was okay covering this because I just kind of need this stuff to be used up so that I can feel like I'm doing a better job of using the stuff. I am going to go ahead and use another large photo collage. It's just kind of my go-to if I don't have the greatest photos. The photos aren't telling like, an amazing story. I'm not going to have a ton of like informative journaling or anything like that. It's kind of just a fluff layout basically. It's this specific year, we had actually done an extra kind of Easter egg hunt in the morning with some of the friends on like my husband's side of like friend groups and stuff, because basically everybody was popping out babies around the same time. So we met up with them at one of the parks and did a quick egg hunt. And I'm sure you guys are probably a little surprised at how short this video is, but again, some of these layouts are coming together super fast just because I'm taking shortcuts with photos, and instead of having individual photos that I need to move around and attach to the layout, I'm, shortening that time and doing a photo collage. The pattern papers, a lot of them were sort of that size, so I just kind of made it work. A lot of using scraps, a lot of just kind of using whatever stickers and die cuts are left over. And I mean, even the pattern paper like layout on this page is just kind of super basic, and sometimes you just need to do super basic. Sometimes you just need to kind of get it done. And in this sort of like kill a kit type of thing, I'm totally okay with that. I did, go back and I grabbed an extra scrap of a pattern paper just because I wanted to fill in that gap over on the right. And a go-to for me is paper strips. A go-to for me is border punches. I didn't even get up to go look for one. I grabbed whichever one was still sitting on my desk from a previous layout because I hadn't cleaned up. And it was like, boom, done. Like, we're not going to think about this. We're not going to hem and haw over which one would look better. This is the one that's in front of my face. This is the one I'm going to use. I actually ended up doing 11, 12, and 13, which again, they're all single page layouts. 11 and 12 were very quick. 13 was a little bit longer just because I was using a lot more like pieces. So that one obviously is going to take me longer. The video will be a little bit longer, that kind of thing. But again, this is why I like this series and I like this sort of self-challenge that I give myself, is seeing that sometimes layouts take a lot longer because you want to have fun with the techniques, or sometimes they don't take very long because you're just like, nope, I'm just going to make quick decisions. I'm going to get it done and I'm going to move on. And that's totally okay. I just hope that you guys kind of find a little bit of inspiration to maybe pull out like a collection kit that you have, even one that you've already partially used. Maybe just pull it out and say, you know what, I'm going to play with this until I'm bored with it and see how far you actually get. Maybe it's one layout and you get bored and put it away. Maybe it's 10 layouts and you get bored and put it away. Or, maybe by the time you get to layout 6, you've used everything up. Like, I think everybody's process is so different that you and I could take the same collection and have a completely different outcome. So I'm going to end that here. I hope you guys enjoyed kind of a quicker format. Again, I've got number 13 coming whenever I can get some computer time to edit it. And as always, I appreciate you guys, and I'll catch you in the comments. Bye.